Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm at Switzer Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to animate using Scratch. Before you start scratching your head wondering where do I start, we're going to have to do the basics, what you need. Of course, you'll need a laptop and a Scratch browser. You can also download it if you work offline, but using Scratch, you can also work on. I'm going to be showing you one of the endless things that you can create using Scratch.
Scratch Cat? What is that thing? I couldn't believe it. We thought it could never happen again.
Scratch Cat, it is so nice to see you again.
First thing you need is a backdrop. Let's paint our own backdrop. Click the stage and click this picture and click paint backdrop. I chose the rectangle tool. Drag, click it and drag, and the backdrop's over here on the stage. The second thing you need is a sprite. We'll click paint sprite here. First thing you'll need is a bottle. And we're going to change the color by clicking this. Let's do a red bottle. Do the click and drag again for the rectangle. Click a circle and click and drag for the circle. The next step is duplicating. Right click, left click on the sprite and click duplicate. And then click the select tool and you'll be able to edit and tilt the head. Now for click the code, first we need a flag to start it off. And then since we have play costume, we need switch costume. And we'll need the repeat 2 times. I'm choosing 2 times because when it starts, it's already on costume 1. The next step is the wait for a second. And if you want it smooth, we're going to change it to 0.3 seconds. And then we go back to Wix and click the next step. Then we drag the wait into the repeat and put the flag on top of it. It's like a sandwich. And then now you can add the legs. Click the rectangle and again, just like you did in the body, click and drag. And then on the next slide, do it again. Click and drag. If you want, you could put the leg in a different position so it's like a floor. Next step is looking at what you made. Today, I showed you how to animate on Scratch. If you want to learn more about the project I showed you, come to Switzer Library Teen Room. Yay!